Welcome to the latest edition of Cardiovascular Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. Reflow Medical reported 6-month DEEPER coronary data from a first-in-human pilot study of its investigational spur-elute sirolimus-eluting retrievable stent system for coronary in-stent restenosis. Among 9 treated subjects, results showed freedom from MACE and all-cause mortality, supporting continued evaluation pending fuller data. ACIST Pro gained US FDA clearance as a next-generation variable-rate contrast management system for image-guided cardiovascular procedures. The clearance enables US access following prior introduction in Japan and CE mark approval in Europe. Philips launched SmartIQ coronary imaging for its Azorion image-guided therapy platform, showcased at EuroPCR 2026. Philips says the technology improves coronary image quality while optimizing radiation and contrast dose. DynamX BIOADAPTOR posted 4-year BIOADAPTOR RCT data. In the trial, DynamX was compared with Resolute Onyx drug-eluting stent in 445 patients across 34 centers, and Elixir reported lower 4-year target lesion failure with DynamX versus DES. A Case Western Reserve-led JAMA cardiology analysis projected that U.S. heat-related heart disease burden will rise by 2050. The study used county-level cardiovascular, climate, and population datasets and highlighted equity concerns in poorer states. FDA highlighted a recall involving certain 14FR low-profile introducer kits used with Impella CP with SmartAssist. The agency cited thrombus formation risk after 3 serious injuries, with 6 U.S. hospitals affected. An MIT team developed an ultrasound pacemaker concept using a wearable ultrasound sticker. Early lab work described in Nature Biomedical Engineering showed ultrasound pulses could stimulate human cardiac cells without an implanted pacemaker. Cytokinetics launched MYQORZO, a ficamten, in Germany, marking first EU commercial availability after February 2026 European Commission approval. MYQORZO is approved for adults with symptomatic NYHA class 2 to 3 obstructive hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Stay ahead in cardiovascular research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.